In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix this site can't provide a secure connection Chrome error. This message usually appears when Chrome can't establish a safe HTTPS connection, often because something on your device or network is interfering with certificate validation. We'll start with quick checks, then move into a few deeper fixes if you still see the error. First, make sure your computer's date, time, and time zone are correct. HTTPS relies on certificates that only work within specific time windows. If your clock is off, Chrome may think a valid certificate is expired or not yet valid, and it will block the connection. Next, clear your cache and cookies. In Chrome, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then clear browsing data. Select cookies and other site data along with cached images and files, and confirm. This removes outdated or corrupted data that might be causing Chrome to misread a site's security status. If you want to keep some sign-ins, narrow the time range to recent data, then test the site again. On Windows, clear the SSL State. Open Control Panel, choose Internet Options, switch to the Content tab, and click Clear SSL State. This flushes cached certificates and can resolve handshake issues without changing anything else on your system. Also try Incognito mode. Open a new Incognito window and visit the site. If it works there, your issue likely involves an extension or cache data in your main profile. If the error persists, disable extensions one by one. Go to Chrome, // extensions, turn an extension off, test the site, and repeat. If the site suddenly works, you've found the culprit. Leave that extension off or look for an update. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall to see if it's intercepting HTTPS traffic. If disabling it fixes the problem, re-enable protection immediately and adjust the software's settings, especially any web or HTTPS scanning features. Update your DNS. In Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, and enable Use Secure DNS with a provider like Cloudflare or OpenDNS. You can also change DNS on Windows system-wide. Open Control Panel, Network and Internet, Network Connections, right-click your active adapter, open Properties, select IPv4, and set DNS to a public provider such as 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 or 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Note your current values before changing them so you can revert if needed. Run a malware scan with your antivirus to rule out unwanted software interfering with connections. Finally, reset Chrome by going to Settings, Reset Settings, and selecting Restore Settings to their original defaults. This turns off extensions and clears temporary data without deleting your saved bookmarks and passwords.